In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color of your Canva website. So currently I have this page in my Canva website and I want to change the background color. I have two sections, so I can change the background color of each of them separately. So to change the background color, just click on the empty space where you don't have any elements, and then you'll see the properties for this background. So click on background color at the top bar, and now over here you can click on add a new color to change the color currently set. So you can choose it as a gradient or solid color. Let's select solid color for now. And now here you can see we can change the background color of our page. And that's it. That's how you can change the background color of your Canva website. You can also do it for multiple sections as well, if you want them to be the same or maybe a little different. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.